How to clear all liked videos on Insta at once. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now once in your profile page, tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on the Your Activity option available there. Now once you tap on the Your Activity, inside it tap on the Like option available at the top to navigate to the videos or posts you have liked. Now once inside the like, all you have to do is tap on the Select option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then select the videos or posts you want to unlike. Then tap on the unlike option available at the bottom in the red highlights. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.